We about to get some birthday videos around here. Let me see the condoms, baby, because that's original.
Yeah, that's
Damn.
That was some thought of today shit.
That was some thought of today
Say,
shit.
matter of fact, let me go put some
Let
money
them know
on
it's
this
Southern
motherfucker.
Swagger DVD. This how it
Southern
go
Swagger,
down.
what's your name, birthday girl? Sparkle.
It's your
Wait, Sparkle, slow it down, let it. You gotta move slow with that ass. That's, oh, she made a jump. Did y'all see her make a jump? Oh, you tell her. Sparkle.
Southern Swagger DVD. It goes down at the TP. My nigga said he'll put 20 on.
You got 20 on there?
I put 20 in.
He got 20 on for you, birthday girl.
I said in between them teeth.
Oh, that ain't shit. They right there. They right there. Come on.
Give them the song with my butterfly in.
Yeah.
I'm trying to make it happen, but it ain't gonna happen. You can start with my what the money at? Hold on, what the money at? We got for $20 bill, that's all. She got 2 twins worth of that. We're gonna break the bank around this bitch, because I'm using all these.
Speak that shit, baby. God damn it. Fuck what they heard. Bye. Camera said bye. We miss you. Come back, okay, Sparkle? What's your name? Candy. Sparkle and Candy. I'm gonna call y'all Pop Rocks. That's it right there.
Pop rocks.
Hell yeah, I'm filming this shit. Filming this shit. Look. Think I ain't playing.